up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys don't know about Stitch Fix, there's a link on below where if you sign up for Stitch Fix, you get $25 towards your first box, and I get a little bit of something which helps me do these videos. So in the box you get five items. You can get jewelry, shoes, clothing, scarves, anything, bags, and I choose to get clothing items and bags and shoes, no jewelry in the box. So you get that, your return mailer, so anything you don't want you can return, and then you get your note from your stylist and your price sheet. So I'm gonna open the price sheet, but we'll put prices at the end, and I'll have a little, every time I try something on, at the end of it, you'll be able to see the item and the pricing. So let's get into the bundle. Okay, so the first item, this looks like a maxi skirt. It's really heavy, really nice quality. Looks like it flares at the bottom. It's navy blue. It looks like it has a stretch top here. It seems very flowy. So let's read what this is. This is the Renee C. Ashton maxi skirt in navy. So that's cute, very nice. I haven't gotten a maxi skirt from Stitch Fix at all. Okay, so the next item looks like this is cute, a jean shirt. I've seen people get this, and it's not buttoned down, just one size. It's cute with some black leggings. Skies are blue, Alyssa chambray top in blue. That's cute. All right. Next item is a white top. It's cute. It has the crisscross in the front and a V-neck in the front, and then there is a bow at the back here, So that's cute. I like this, very nice. Okay, so the next item, another one of these tops. This is cute. I like this color, very nice. It is like a pink and white crisscross top. I kept the black one in my last box. And this is Emery Park. This is the Emery Park Dolce short sleeve knit top in dark pink. Very cute. And then the last item we have here is this top. It's cute. Looks a little short, but I like this color. Very nice. And in the back, there's this detailing here. Very cute. So this is the Paper Moon Ampton back detail knit top in dark green. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts and say anything I decide to keep, and then we'll go over pricing. Okay, so the first item is this chambray top. This is really cute. I like the detail right here, and it's super soft. What I would have to do is steam it every time I wear it, but I really like this. It's really cute. Do a turn. And it has the 3/4 length sleeve with the button. Super soft. Really like it a lot. Very pretty. Okay, next is this top from Emery Park. It's super cute. It's very lightweight. You can even like tuck it in for a cute top like this. Very nice. It scoops at the bottom. Has the crisscross right here. I love these colors. They're really pretty. And I could tuck it in. Very cute. Okay, next is this top. It's super cute. I tucked it in. And the bows part is on the back, so you can see that. It's really cute. Kind of comes down, not too long. And then let me take it out. I love this color. I like this color a lot. It's very pretty. Just a regular top, little V-neck here. Okay, Okay, so next we have the cute top, how it comes around like this, and it looks like there's another top underneath. Really cute. I didn't tie the back. So yeah, that's really cute. How do you guys like this one? All right, so next is, hi Stanley, is the maxi skirt. This is cute. I'm not sure though. I really like it. I'm gonna try it on with some slides and a different top and see what it looks like, but I think it's really cute. I'm not sure what I'm keeping in this box. This stuff's really cute. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, so I'm back. So the first item, this top was really cute. I don't know what I did here. I kind of like messed it up. Really adorable. I don't know where I would wear it. I think if I got it in a different color, I would wear it more. So this is the 41 Hawthorne top, and it's $58. This is one of the most expensive things in this box. Next, we have the maxi skirt, and I'm torn on this because I think this is really cute. I would totally get a lot of wear of this, and it's heavy. It's not, I don't know what's, oh, there's like a lining in it. It's cute. I don't know if I care for that lining though. Really nice, and it's $38. I like it, very nice. Next is this top here. I love the color. Paper Moon. And this is $34. It's cute. I like that. Next top is this Emery Park top, and it's $34, which I think is a good deal for it. I love the color. I'll have to look back at the video and see what looks nicest on me, so I'm really torn on what to get here. I like that maxi skirt though. And last but not least, I really like this top too. This chambray top, and this is $58. So my total's $222, buy all 5 discounts, $55.50. $166.50 is my subtotal, and then I have a $20 styling fee because this is the other one that I do. So $146.50. So let me know what you guys think. And my stylist is Brianna. She's new and she's great. So if you like these items, ask for them and your stylist will get them for you. But I'll let you guys know down below what I decided to keep. I'm not sure. So I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.